Excel. Let's begin this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to launch the application called Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now the Microsoft Excel template chooser window is open. So the option that we're going to click is Blank Workbook. Now that the blank workbook is open, I'm going to execute a formula that will perform addition. So here we go. So we're going to, let's say for example, if we wanted to find out what 2 plus 2 equals, we're going to type in the word equals, and then we'll say 2 plus 2, and then after that, once you push the tab button, it provides you with the result, which is 4. We have just performed addition on Microsoft Excel. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a good night.